Hello everyone. Today we will learn our first chapter from the unit first, An Astrologer's Day, which was written by R.K. Narayan. His full name is Rashipuram Krishnaswamy Iyer Narayan Swamy. Among Indian writers in English, R.K. Narayan is probably one of the most prolific, and he has the distinction of having written fiction for more than 60 years. He is the author of 14 novels. His first novel, Swamy and Friends, appeared in 1935, and since then he has written novels, short stories, and essays totaling more than 30 books in all. Although known predominantly as a novelist in India and the West, his short stories are no less significant than his longer works, and the story An Astrologer's Day continues to be a heavily anthologized piece. It is of considerable significance that a story which first appeared in 1947 should retain its appeal after more than 50 years. This story he has taken from the Malgudi days. This fictional work, where realistic characters in a typically Indian setting lived amid unpredictable events, his stories are grounded in compassionate humanism and celebrated the humor and energy of ordinary life. His stories are characterized by a simple style and subtle humor. म्हणजे इथे काय झालेलं आहे विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आर के नारायण यांनी एक आपले काल्पनिक गाव तयार केलेलं आहे, एक शहर तयार केलेलं आहे मालगुडी नावाचं. आणि त्या मालगुडी नावात जे जे गाव आहे त्या गावासाठी त्यांनी जी पहिली स्टोरी लिहिलेली आहे तिथली पहिली कथा ही आहे ॲन ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजर्स डे. Narayan was introduced to American readers in 1952 by the Michigan State University Press. They include Swamy and Friends, The Bachelor of Arts, The Dark Room, An Astrologer's Day, and other short stories. Mr. Sampath, which was written in 1949, The Financial Expert in 1954, Waiting for the Mahatma 1955, The Guide, which was very famous novel, and many other books. His novel The Guide won him the Sahitya Akademi Award in 1961, the most coveted literary honor in India. His writing is distinguished by humor and unfounding irony, a unique Indianness, and a simplicity is utterly charming and authentic. Narayan typically portrays the peculiarities of human relationship and other ironies of Indian daily life. His style is graceful, marked by genial humor, एलिगन्स अँड सिम्प्लिसिटी. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आर के नारायणचं जे रायटिंग आहे ते सर्वसाधारण व्यक्तींशी, म्हणजेच मध्यमवर्गीय किंवा काम करून खाणारे जे लोक आहेत त्यांच्याशी रिलेटेड स्टोऱ्या त्यांनी यात लिहिलेल्या आहेत. त्यांनी उच्चभ्रू लोकांच्या अशा काही इथे कथा लिहिलेल्या नाही आहेत, तर ते एका सामान्य लोकांशी रिलेटेड होते लिहिण्यामध्ये, आणि त्यांनी ऑर्डिनरी लोकांच्या बाबतीत या स्टोऱ्या लिहिलेल्या आहेत. अँड दिस इज द one story from it, An Astrologer's Day. The deceptive simplicity of An Astrologer's Day is one aspect of the story that continues to baffle critics. Typically, Narayan's fiction does not depend extensively on the plot to sustain itself. Not much happens in the narrative, and the storyline is relatively straightforward and quite often linear. Sometimes The forward movement of time is arrested as in the story, but the description is such that the reader pursues no real discontinuity in the overall movement of the plot. The shift from the present to past is necessitated by the plot itself, and as soon as some aspect of the past that needs elaboration is mentioned, the story moves to the present. The story is far from simple. Every facet of the story is crucial to the overall thematic preoccupations of the author. For instance, the astrologer leaves for home when the groundnut vendor closes shop simply because he is dependent on the groundnut seller for lighting. When this story occurs, the reader is told that after the neighbor closes shop, there is a still a silver of light that strays it from the somewhere.